Good evening, Warsaw Startup. My name is Semin. I'm representing team number 24. Our project is called Event Spotter, and I would like to tell you right now what it's going to do. Basically, our team consists of 3 developers. We're all young, very active, but also we're already experienced in development. Everyone knows Facebook and everyone uses it. Everyone also uses Google and uses Google Maps. What we decided, we want to combine these 2 ideas, and we created Event Spotter. Up until now, when you wanted to find an event, you either had to be invited to it by your friends, or you had to know its exact name so you could search it. From now on, you can use our product, Event Spotter, and browse through events using categories, using location, or using time. We are creating a mobile application which will use geolocation, so you will be able to instantly find events on a map near you. We have also already developed a Facebook application that shows events on maps. You can already browse through categories. How did we get there? We data mine through Facebook. This is a way to escape from the problem of the egg and the chicken, because usually with such a service you need a lot of users to have a lot of data, but you need a lot of data to have a lot of users. Because everyone is connected on Facebook and uses it, and we have a nice algorithm for this, we managed from one single user that has nearly 300 friends, we managed to collect over 2,000 events. Next, we used our filtering mechanism, which already also works. We threw out all the junk events, and we came out with over 400, almost 400 events that are really valuable. What happens for the user? First of all, finally, there's an easy, comfortable, new way to browse through Facebook events. You can find content that really meets your expectations. That's a really exciting way to browse through Facebook events. It's a way to save a lot of time. It's very simple, and it doesn't change any of your habits, because you already use Facebook, you use Facebook events, everyone uses it. So we just give you a new way of using what you already know. Our clients will be probably mostly companies that promote themselves through Facebook events. What we can give them? We can give them discrete advertising. We can create featured events that can be, for example, highlighted, and we can allow them to reach a precise client group. We have a business model. We want to monetize on premium events. We want to create a paid version of our application. Probably when we go global, because the Polish market is kind of tricky. We want to create premium accounts for users, which will get a push notification with instant events and no ads. And also we want to have some discrete advertising. What are our strongest selling points? This is very easily scalable. With this algorithm we can reach almost every event that's happening near you. We have great data mining potential. We can research this data, we can analyze it, and we don't change any of the habits that the users already have. What do we need? Because we still need some help. We're all developers. We need someone with marketing background, with business background, preferably global, because we want to go global, because this will work great. And also we need someone with graphical experience. This already works, and if you want to see it, come to us. We have a version for an Android phone. It works. We have a Facebook app. It also works, so we can show it to you. Yes, and it doesn't crash. Any questions?
I'm not sure whether this is just an application that I can see what events my friends have and to see it on the map, or it is really a business. Because what you propose is an application that any user can use to show on Google, to see on Google Maps what events are.
Yes, but it's a very popular method.
I think you misunderstood it a bit. It's not only about your friends, it's about all events. We have our database and we gather all the information and we provide information about all events, not events of your friends. So that's the business, not browsing through your friends' activities. It's about everything, right?
Parties, concerts, exhibitions, everything that's happening around you. And it's very popular to promote on Facebook, so this is a big group.
So it is the main source of information about events, the Facebook. Is it the only or the main?
Only.
The only source.
Yes, but one user, 2,000 events, so it will scale amazing.
Do you know there are many events that you wouldn't be able to find on any standard website with events, and you would be able to find them on Facebook somewhere?
Like, that's
Because there are already websites that are doing the same thing. They are working in traditional way, so somebody from PR from the event contacts you and asks you to put something on your website, and you just do it a little bit smarter maybe, but is there any value added from my perspective, being a customer, to tap to it? Is it a bigger, broader range of events,
well,
in your perspective?
you can just, let's suppose that this event ends and you want to do something else today. So what you do is you take your mobile phone and you browse through events that happen today near you. So that's the main feature that probably you asked about.
So what will be the motivation for people to allow you to see the events he has on Facebook or his friends have?
Well, his motivation is to browse through events. So if he wants to do it,
okay, so
he also shares with
So it is the condition to see what is on your website?
In every case on Facebook there are some conditions like wall, and that's the sum of it.
Yes, but also we use only public events for this, so it's kind of
It's not
discreet.
about someone's birthday, and it's not the situation that everyone comes to his birthday party. It's about public events.